Why is it that we do not think twice about getting a new shirt or a fancy pair of shoes, something for our body? But we are so hesitant to spend money on the non-physical part of ourselves, the inner you, the most important part. Personal development is about understanding how you think, how you feel, and how you react, and how those patterns quietly shape your results. It shapes your relationships and your sense of fulfillment. When you invest in personal development, you invest in your career, in your personal life, as well as your health. But with no attention to personal growth, life tends to repeat itself. The same frustrations and self-doubt, the same feeling of, I know I'm capable of more, but without the tools to change it. So come on, stop being ruled by old habits and limiting beliefs and join me for this year's Mastering Me, a personal development course like none other. Because the one thing that affects every area of your life is you, not the outer part, your body, but the inner part. So why not invest in the most important part of yourself for a change? Mastering Me will start soon, and it's only done once a year. So come on, don't miss this chance.